Hi, myself Suman Kundu, and right now you are watching the 4-month hair transplant result, and I am very much satisfied with this. My hair transplant surgery had been done in Kolkata from New Roots Hair Clinic on 1st February 2020, and I am really satisfied with this result. You can see the result. You can see the density. I think after 4 months this density is enough, and I am really satisfied. In so many YouTube videos I have seen that after 4 months you will get only 40% or 50% result, but I think this result is beyond 60%, and I am really satisfied with this. And this stage is most important because in that stage one feels confident. So I am really happy to see this result after 4 months. Really, I am satisfied with this result, and especially I am making this video to all of you who are thinking about hair transplant. And really I am very thankful to Kolkata New Roots Hair Clinic, and also my gratitude to Subhajit sir, who always help me, guide me. So thank you very much for providing me a better look. Thank you very much, and special thanks to all the staffs and doctors of New Roots Hair Clinic. Thank you very much.